back to the channel. Today, welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I'm gonna make a starter farm. But this starter farm is so easy to make. All we need is this. You can pause the video for the interior, okay? Pause the video so you can see. Okay, are you done yet? I think no. Okay, let's get building. Firstly, you need the stone bricks. Place 8 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that. Oops, I forgot something. You need a dispenser. So it's gonna be so great. Okay. Put a dispenser over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8's 2. Now, repeat it. Okay, let's check it. Okay, 8 blocks, the same. Now, let's go. And now, we need something. We need a button. Put over here. Okay, there you go. Now you need a redstone repeater. I know wearing a redstone repeater is kind of hard, but just place one at this time. Now let's place the redstone test. There you go. Let's test it. Let me test it if it works. Okay, it works. Now, we don't use a dispenser, but we use water. Let's put one water, one water, one water, one water, and of course, one water. One here, one over here. We need still more waters. We need 8 waters because we built 8 blocks. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Now the redstone will activate that and just spill out some water. Now dig some blocks. Like that. Over there. Now dig some another block. Like that. Even you need this block. 1, 2. And place some chests. Oops, I need to crawl. Okay, now put some water. Did you see they stop right over there? Right? Now all you need is a hoe. And even you need a seed. What seed do you want? I want a wheat seed. Okay. Let's put some seeds. And keep doing this until it's done. Let's do it. Okay, it's almost ready. It's not that ready yet. Okay, now let's hold this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Later it's gonna be so much fun. And we're gonna test it if it works or there's something wrong. Okay. When you're done, you have to wait it grow. Or you can wear bone meal. Look. When you wear the bone meal, you can make it grow. Look. That's so great, right? Some of you know they can make it grow in Minecraft, right? And it's gonna be turn yellow. Okay, let's test it out. The water will get rid of that weeds. Wait, there's something wrong happening. You need to take the weeds back first. Okay. I think I know what's the problem. Broke the chest first. Place like this. Or you place it like this. Place the chest over there. And place the hopper. Let me test it out. Okay, we need another weed again. We need the seeds. Why there's a dirt on my thorn? Okay, we need the hoe then. Let's go with the hoe. Let's wear the bulk meal. Wait, I forgot this seed. Okay, we're almost done. There you go. Let me try it again. Wow, they're really going down. Maybe the water is not pushing it. Okay, I think there's something weird. Oh yes. It's supposed to be on this block. There you go. The hopper is going into the chest. Finally, it works. Okay. I know it's hard to make because sometimes we made it wrong if you make this machine. But if you already try, well, you can do it. Look. Now they're in the chest. Look. Now we have so many weeks. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you like and enjoy it. And have a great, beautiful farm in Minecraft. See you next time. I hope you can do it. Remember, it only works in Pocket Edition or Bedrock Edition. Bye.